Welcome guys. Okay, so we are gonna study about, this is a short clip. I'm gonna teach you the first law of thermodynamics in A2. Okay, first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics, basics of first law of thermodynamics are the fact that it's the law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created nor can it be destroyed. Okay, but in A2 syllabus, Pearson at Excel A2 or Cambridge A2, we've got an equation which we have to study. Equation is delta U equals delta Q plus delta W. What is delta U? Delta U is the internal energy. Total internal energy, or the change in internal energy, equals the heat plus the work done. Okay, so heat, Q is the heat. Q can be the heat supplied to the system. If it's heat supplied to the system, then it's going to be positive. If it's heat removed from the system, Q is going to be negative. Okay, whereas W is going to be work done on the system. We'll take it to be positive if work is being done on the system, and W is going to be negative if work is done by the system. Okay, so and delta U, the internal energy, if it's positive, that means internal energy is increasing, and if it's negative, that means the internal energy is decreasing. Okay, just saw it, pass you a question on this, so I thought I'd share this knowledge with you guys. Apart from this, then you'll have some practice questions on this and stuff. But first of all, the equation is very important. Okay, you need to know this equation, that delta U equals delta Q plus delta W. Delta U is internal energy. Change in internal energy can be increase or decrease, positive, negative. Then equals delta Q, which is the change in um, uh, heat energy supplied to the system. Okay, if it's heat energy supplied to the system, it's going to be positive. Otherwise, if it's heat energy removed from the system, it's going to be negative. Okay, Q. And then delta W. Okay, delta Q plus delta W. So delta W is the work done on the system. If it's done on the system, it's going to be positive. If it's done by the system, it's going to be negative. Okay, how do you know if it's work done on the system or by the system? So basically, if and usually we consider this on gaseous system which have a gas. Assume a gas in a gas syringe. Okay, so for example, if the volume of the gas in the gas syringe is decreasing, meaning you're compressing the gas, you're doing work on the gas. If there's a decrease in volume, it's going to be positive work done. If there's an increase in volume, gas expansion, then the work done is going to be negative. Okay, I hope you guys found this video valuable. I'll be posting more short clips and more important concepts and more frequently tested past paper videos on this YouTube channel and Instagram page and everywhere. So make sure to keep an eye out now.